Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn 1 to 9. So we will be writing all these numbers with different colors. Let us get started with the color name. This is brown color. This is dark pink color. This is orange color. This is dark blue color. This is light blue color. This is black color. This is purple color. This is red color. This is dark green color. Let us get started with tracing these numbers. This is number 1. 1 1 1. This is number 2. 2 2 2. This is number 3. 3 3 3. This is number 4. 4 4 4. This is number 5. 5 5 5. This is number 6. 6 6 6. This is number 7. 7 7 7. This is number 8. 8 8 8. This is number 9. 9 9 9. I hope kids you like coloring these numbers. We will read it again. This is 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3, 4 4 4, 5 5 5, 6 6 6, 7 7 7, 8 8 8, 9 9 9. Thank you kids for writing this with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.